Okidoki. Evet sevgili misafirlerimiz, bugünkü havuz oyunumuz. Now we're gonna start our pool game. Bugünkü havuz oyunumuz surf on the jump. Jumping on the surfboard. From animation team, Mr. Yusuf gonna show us what we have to do. Heute unseren Poolspiel heißt Springen on Surfboard. Okay, Mr. Yusuf, hazır mıyız? Hazırsak ayağa kalkıyoruz. Kendi stand up. Ben alkış alacağım. Sen bir kalk. Wait. It's not good enough. Okay, Mukarnas Hotel. Can I get one big moral applause? Moral applause to Mr. Yusuf from animation team. Okay, Yusuf, ready? If you are ready, 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, bye bye. Okay, what's your name behind the kite resort this minute? David, where do you come from? Welcome to here.
England.
David from England. Okay, do we have guests from England? Oh, we don't have any guests from England? Just one. Come on, let's do it one more time, louder, okay? Do we have guests from England? Nice. Okay, David, ready? Can you stand up? Okay. Dun. It's time for belly dance. Okay. I believe I can fly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1. Okay, what's your name behind the kite resort this minute? Etna, where do you come from?
Faroe Island.
Where is it? UK, England. Faroe Island. Okay, I don't know that.
Yeah, they're
That
doing
place.
jumping there. It's fun.
I never been there. Maybe that's why.
Jump off it.
Okay.
Lay on table. Sit down here.
Oh, she's professional.
On the table,
Come
Dylan.
on.
On the table, Dylan. You have to jump. They do.
Irish. So, okay, now I understand where she's coming from. Okay, if you are ready, 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bravo, nice.
I can't come.
Can't do that.
Three.
Okay, what's your name?
Love
Michal from Polska. Michal from China. Do we have guests from China? No. Too late. Michal from China. Okay, Mukarnas Hotel. Now looky. Now tsunami is coming.
He can stand up. He lost his balance and fell off.
It's okay. Okay, come on. What's your name? Anya from Polska. Anya from Polska. My friend, you are from China. Okay, do we have guests from Polska? Stand up. We don't have any Polish. Come on, let's do it one more time. Do we have guests from Polska? Okay, can you stand up? Okay, if you're ready, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
She has to beat 3.
1.
Oh.